Well, as I explained in my last video, and if you missed that, click on the link above or in the description below, I decided to make a pretty big detour that sends me back towards Tafraut. And as you will see later, I think it was definitely worth it. The benefits of a longer tour is that you can make changes to your plans and there's no real pressure to keep on schedule. Anyway, this is Spinning Wheels and I'll see you all after the intro. So here we go then, it's day 25, part 4 of my 6-week solo motorcycle tour of Morocco. As always, I'm on board Klaus, my trusty 2011 BMW 1200 GS Adventure. Well, we have currently taken a bit of a detour, but at the end of today we will end up in Taroudant. To navigate this beautiful country, I am using the Morocco Overland book by Chris Scott and the Michelin paper map. Well, I think the detour was a wonderful way to finish the Atlas Mountains section of the tour. It has been a fantastic experience and will be something that I will remember for years to come. If you want to watch my Moroccan adventure from the very beginning, click on the link above or in the description below. Okay then, let's crack on. Enjoy! And there it is, the reason for the detour. And I actually have to come clean at this point, as it was only because my sat-nav had a bit of a moment and started sending me on a wild goose chase. And from that I came across this beautiful place. And where is this? This is the Kasbah Tizorgain. It is a centuries old citadel and is absolutely stunning. This really is a visual masterpiece. But unfortunately, as good as the 360 GoPro is, it really doesn't do the place justice, and it is definitely worth a visit. And I'm so glad the sat-nav had a hissy fit and led me to this beautiful place. Okay, it's time to turn round, get one more look at this beautiful place and get back on track en route for Trudent. hope you enjoyed the detour as much as me, and even though the Atlas Mountain section is basically over, there are still more beautiful parts of this country to see before we depart. I'm going to take a few days rest and enjoy the sights and sounds of the beautiful city of Trudent. If you have enjoyed the video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and I look forward to seeing you all again on Spinning Wheels. And as always, remember, every ride is an adventure.